with Vessel now also in the coaching setup, he's also a scrum expert. Are you going to coach the lineouts, or is he going to coach the lineouts?
You must ask him how
I knew
I
it.
will coach
I knew it.
lineup. I will
I knew
coach
it.
lineup.
Hey, look.
I'm just going to take front ball. No, so yeah, Vessel is such an unbelievable human. Yeah, he gets along with everyone. He's a passionate guy, and we work lucky together with the scrums. So the scrums has two sides. So I'm on the one side, he's on the other side, and we complement each other there. He sees things on that side, I see things on this side, and we work together to get the best for the team and the pack there. And then lineouts, I just take a back step.
back.
I just take a step back. I let them coach the lineouts. Yeah, that's not my expertise whatsoever.
So you're not doing the lifting and the lineouts.
Yes, I'm too short, so I never was good at it. But yeah, so no, I stay away. And obviously, what I like about our coaching group, and I hope the players will confess to that, is we all like intertwine into. So if I see something with the mall or the mall stops, because there I back myself a little bit more. But there I will ask Coach Vest, did he also see that? Did he feel the same? Or chat to Siba if I see something. But yeah, we just work like it together. But that's the working forward, and it's been working well now. And I really think Vest is going to have a great time with us, and we're going to have a great time with him as well.